True or false? The period of this function is 24, its amplitude is 6. Alright, so here we have 2 pi t over 24. Therefore, b is 2 pi over 24. So we have 2 pi divided by b, which is 2 pi over 24. So what I'm going to do is flip this fraction and multiply it. So 2 pi times 24 over 2 pi. The 2 pi's cancel, and we have 24. So the period is 24. That is true. The amplitude is 6. Right here we see in the A position, which is amplitude, that it is 6. That is true. So this one is true. The period of this function is 365. Its midline is y equals 1. All right, so I'm going to actually erase this work, and we'll move on to the next one. All right, so the period, we have 2 pi t over 365. So 2 pi divided by b, which is 2 pi over 365. So we're going to multiply and flip the fraction. 2 pi times 365 divided by 2 pi. The 2 pi's cancel, and we have a period of 365. The midline is 1, and that is right there, so that is true. All right, I'm going to erase this, make some room. All right, if this function, y of t equals 5 plus 3 sine of pi t over 60, the period is 60 and the midline is 5. Well, the midline is definitely 5, but the period, let's figure that out. That's pi over 60 is b. So we have 2 pi divided by pi over 60, which is the same thing as 2 pi times 60 over pi. The pi's cancel, but we still have this 2. So the period is 120, not 60. Therefore, 3 is false, although the midline is 5. All right, and finally, here's the function. The period's 8, amplitude's 13. The amplitude is this constant a right in front of the function, or right in front of the cosine function right here, so that is true. Pi over 4 is b, so we have 2 pi divided by pi over 4, which is the same thing as 2 pi times 4 over pi. The pi's cancel. We have a period of 8, 2 times 4, so this one is true. And here we have true, true, false, and true.